Hello, how are you? My name is Humberto Cisneros. Is my wife Tammy, and I'm here because I want to give you my testimony from Dr. Elias Darido. He is practicing a hernia repair 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, and my testimony is that I've been suffering for chest problems and a lot of symptoms in my chest, and I know I have three stents in my heart since 2017, and I have a lot of issues with my health. But after I start taking a lot of medications, I start feeling symptoms in my chest, pain, discomfort, pain on my back and my neck. I was thinking it was related with my heart for years, and I was living in panic almost every day. But when I came here with Dr. Darido, like 2 months ago, he doing an endoscopy, and he found in a big hernia, and he told me that I need to be, I have to go through surgery and then, keep it away. So I was thinking to do it, and then I finally talked with my wife, and we decided to do it. And let me tell you, it's a big change. I feel so happy now. I feel release of all the symptoms. In the last 5 years, I went to the emergency room probably 5 times, thinking it was another heart attack. But no, it was my symptoms related with acid reflux, super hard symptoms. But after my surgery 3 weeks ago, I have no more symptoms. I feel super happy. My blood pressure go back to normal, and it was a big improvement in my life, in my health. Now I don't take no more high blood medications, because I talked with my cardiologist, and he said, wow, let's eliminate one of your medications and see what happens. But the thing is, I feel so happy, no more symptoms. We live happy together. And then, like I said, this testimony is because I feel so happy, so like new person, and I recommend to talk with Dr. Darido about your hernia repair. It will change your life forever. Now I feel comfortable, I sleep normal, and I have no more symptoms, and I feel so happy, and thank God and thank Dr. Darido for this surgery. I will recommend you to do it, 100%. Like I said, changed my life forever. Thank you very much.